for those keeping track, it is February the 1st, and I'm recording the start of what's supposed to be the biggest blizzard of the year, covering about 30 states. I'm not going to cover all 30 states, this is just my area, and it has just started to snow. The snow that's on the ground has been there for a while, as you can see by the footprints all over the place. But this snow, we're supposed to get up to 16 inches, maybe 20 inches or anything. So I'll show you. Here's my driveway out to the road, and nobody's traveling right now. So there's the mailboxes all the way down there. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. In the next couple hours, I'll periodically come out and do an update. Maybe walk out a little bit. So you can see my other road. Well, actually, you can't see my other road. This is the road to get around my property and down to my ponds, which are over there. And we'll just see what happens. So I will update you later. In the meantime, I'm not going to starve in case I get snowed in. I have bison burgers. Delicious. Fixing a couple on the grill for myself. I'm not sharing. So I'll give you an update later this day. 1 hour later, outside, the grill's already covered with snow. And I know you can barely see it, but there's my driveway that was shoveled off and clear an hour ago. I brought the dogs with me this time in case the turkeys decide to attack. It is really still coming down. Don't think I'll get dug out of this tomorrow. Come on, Jeb, stop licking the snow. I was going to show you Scout on camera just now, but she's going to the bathroom and she is kind of shy. I was going to walk down to the pond. We'll go up this way once. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, you're getting covered in snow. Hi, Jimmers. I know, you think I'm stupid, don't you? We probably got, in an hour and a half, there's probably about 6 more inches of snow down than there was earlier. Take you out to the road here. This is my road. As you can see, I'm probably not going anywhere for a few days. Oh, it is cold out. Come on, Dimmers. I don't know what he wants to do. He wants to go for a walk. Come on, buddy. Let's go back to the house. Well, I probably won't be doing any more tonight because it's just too freaking cold and dark. It is now 10 o'clock at night, and the dogs want nothing to do with being outside. And it's starting to drift. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Here comes Scout. Snow as far as you can see. So we'll see what it's like in the morning when I get up. These guys are anxious to go outside. It's now 11 o'clock. The blizzard's pretty much passed, even though it's still snowing. We're going to go for a little walk, see what it's like out here. Just barely snowing. Kind of windy though. I'm getting my driveway cleaned out. Come on, guys. Come on. You gotta make some new paths. They made one path this morning in the snow where they wanted to go to the bathroom. They gotta make some new paths. Yeah, it's about a foot deep. Come on, Jemmers. They don't run. They can't run in this deep snow. They kind of hop. Jem's having a hard time getting through it. Come on, buddy. You can see the snow on his back. It's still coming down. And Scout. Scout is smart. She is following my trail. So is April. Jem, he's trying to go off and start his own trail. That's not working too well for him. There's my one road. My other road's getting plowed, so I can get out in the morning. Not going anywhere today, I don't think. He's gonna try going to the bank. Come on, Jemmers. Come on. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck. And Scout, again being smart, stays in Jem's path. Come on, buddy. You gonna make it? Nope, he's not gonna make it. I'm gonna have to turn him around here. Oh, he's not used to this stuff. Come on, bud, this way. Come on. He wants to be outside, but it's just too much for him. You can't go that way. No. Scout, like I said, she's got some brains. She stays in the paths that other people make. Jem, I think, is finally catching on. You're the dad. You're supposed to be the teacher. You're supposed to be the wise one. If I had some rope and stuff and a sled, we'd try out the dog sled thing. I have a funny feeling, though, they'd be sitting on the sled and wanting me to pull them around. Had enough, guys? Huh? No? Okay. I bet that's the first time on video anybody's seen a dog stuck in the snow. April, she wants to play. I'm going to let them back in, and then I'm going to walk down to the main road and see if there is a main road. Okay, you want it out, guys. Okay, Jem still wants out. I don't know what he's up to. What do you want, buddy? Come on. Find out what you want to do. Now let me dig a path for you. I don't know why he wants to get up here. I said wait. I said wait. Oh, he got an extra burst of energy. He made it. It's the same hill he got stuck on a minute ago. You need snowshoes. Don't think we're going to see many turkeys today, Jem. What do you think? Huh? Come on, buddy. This is all he wanted. He wanted to find a tree he could pee on. Thanks a lot, Jem. I hope you feel guilty. Jem. You ready to go inside? Ready to go inside and get a snack? It looks like the county did a pretty good job plowing it out, so I'll probably get to work tomorrow. Right now we're under a level 1 snow emergency, which means you have to be on the road anyway. I think this is a driveway here. Good luck with them getting out of that place. So, Heading back to the house to warm up. Thanks for watching, guys, and all you people out in California and down in Florida and in Hawaii that view my video. Look what you're missing out on.